When it comes to making delicious, restaurant-quality fried foods at home, having the right equipment is essential. This Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot promises to deliver just that. This 9.4-inch, 3.4-liter Japanese-style tempura frying pot is crafted from high-quality 304 stainless steel and boasts a range of features designed to make your frying experience seamless and enjoyable. In this detailed review, we'll explore why this deep fryer pot could be a great addition to your kitchen. The first thing you notice about the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot is its sturdy construction. Made from 304 stainless steel, the pot feels durable and well-built. The stainless steel not only ensures longevity, but also provides an even heat distribution, which is crucial for perfect frying. The pot's sleek, polished finish gives it a professional look that will complement any kitchen decor. The design is both functional and stylish. The pot features a lid with an integrated oil drip drainer rack, allowing you to fry foods without the mess of oil splatters. The lid also serves as a convenient resting place for your fried foods, letting excess oil drain back into the pot, ensuring your food is crispy and less greasy. The use of high-quality 304 stainless steel sets this deep fryer apart from many other options on the market. This material is known for its durability and resistance to corrosion and rust. It can withstand high temperatures without warping, making it ideal for deep frying. Whether you're using it on an induction cooker, electric stove, or gas range, this pot is built to perform. One of the standout features of the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot is its built-in thermometer. This handy tool allows you to monitor the oil temperature in real time, ensuring that your food is fried at the perfect temperature for optimal results. The thermometer is easy to read and helps you avoid under- or overcooking your food. This feature is particularly useful for those who are new to frying, as it takes the guesswork out of the process. Cleaning up after frying can often be a daunting task, but the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot makes it simple. The oil filter rack can be easily removed, allowing you to drain and clean the pot with minimal effort. The pot's smooth surface can be quickly wiped clean with a little dish soap and water, leaving it looking as good as new. This ease of cleaning ensures that you can enjoy fried foods without dreading the cleanup process. The thoughtful design of this frying pot includes several unique features that enhance its functionality. The lid design not only prevents oil splatters, but also serves as an oil drip drainer, allowing excess oil to drain back into the pot. This keeps your kitchen cleaner and your food healthier. Additionally, the beak diversion port makes pouring out the used oil easy and mess-free. The Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot is versatile enough to handle a variety of fried foods. Whether you're making classic French fries, crispy chicken, tempura, or donuts, this pot can handle it all. Its size and capacity are ideal for family meals or small gatherings, and its efficient design means you can fry multiple batches without any hassle. Safety is a top priority when dealing with hot oil, and the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot doesn't disappoint. The sturdy construction and balanced design reduce the risk of tipping, while the lid helps contain any splatters. The thermometer ensures that you can keep the oil at a safe temperature, reducing the risk of burns and accidents. Kerilyn stands behind their product with a 1-year quality warranty. This assurance means you can purchase with confidence, knowing that any defects or issues will be addressed promptly. The company also promises excellent customer service, so if you have any questions or concerns, they are readily available to assist you. In conclusion, the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot offers a combination of durability, functionality, and convenience that makes it a standout choice for home cooks. Its high-quality 304 stainless steel construction, built-in thermometer, and thoughtful design features make it an excellent tool for anyone looking to fry foods to perfection. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this deep fryer pot provides the tools you need to achieve delicious, crispy results every time. Its easy-to-clean design and versatile capabilities make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and stylish deep fryer pot, the Kerilyn Deep Fryer Pot is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.